Hi, I'm Mukul, and in this video, I'll walk you through the document management flow in Coauditor. From creating a project to sending audit requests and tracking document status, Coauditor helps auditors streamline audit engagements from start to finish. Let's start on the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your active projects, total requests, overdue items, and unread chats. Need to dig in? Just click View Projects or View Requests for instant access. Inside any project, like this procurement audit, you'll see the request page. If it's a new project, you can get started by clicking New Request. Now just give your request a name and add a short description. This can be a controlled description, a walkthrough note. Coauditor will use this description to generate a suggested list of audit requests you may need. Click Submit to save. And as you can see here, we have some suggested documents for this control which I can edit as I want. You can also attach an example of what you are requesting for. This is useful for repeat audits and give your audit clients better clarity. Once your request is created, it's time to share it. You can invite audit clients or internal teams directly from Coauditor using their email address. Want to add a note or set up reminders? Add a message in the notes section. Then configure a due date and automatic notification, for example, 1 day or 1 hour before the deadline. This keeps your audit flow moving without the constant follow-ups. As responses start coming in, you'll see updates in real time. Each sample and request is color-coded. Green means uploaded, yellow means pending, and red means not available. You can also manually update statuses or leave internal notes. You can also toggle between this grid view and list view depending upon what you find comfortable. I particularly like the grid view when I want to match samples to requests in one glance. And I use this list view when I want to focus on one sample. You can also send and receive chats for any requests and sample by clicking this chat icon here. Need to dig into a document? Click on the document icon. Click on the option icon. Here you can add annotations, download, or delete if needed. Coauditor keeps everything centralized. Say no to chasing attachments or juggling shared drives. And don't forget, under the settings, you can manage who has access to the project. Invite your full team or specific users and toggle roles as needed. You can even archive the project when you're done to keep things clean. So that's Coauditor's document management interface. Create requests, assign tasks, track status, collaborate, all in one clean workspace. Thanks for watching. And check out our other how to do videos to get even more out of Coauditor.